We're about to move into the grounding exercise. Megan Lee Joy is going to pop up and ground us all.
Hello, hello, everyone. I invite you to physically begin to ground in your space. So, whether that's feeling your booty on your chair, whether that is actually grounding your feet into the floor, if you have shoes on, taking them off, and allowing your breath to be intentional. And each exhale to really melt your body into your space. Closing your eyes if you have not already. And intentionally focusing on your crown chakra, your head space. Taking a deep breath in through your nose. And just releasing all tension. Moving that down to your throat. Deep breath in. Releasing all tension. And moving into your heart space. Continuing deep, intentional breathing. And I want you to begin to become aware of the sensations in your body. To describe these somatics, not with emotions just yet. Does it feel shaky? Is it electric? Do you feel warm, tight? Describe what is happening within you with no judgment. Now we can move into feelings, into emotions. I'm going to ask you where fear lives in your body. And your intuition knows it might have just shot to your chest or to your shoulder, to your liver. And without any judgment, just noticing. Where does anger live in your body? Remembering to keep that breath. Where does sadness live? Breathing into those spaces with compassion and gratitude for this awareness. Where does shame live in your body? Deep breath in and release with gratitude. And last but not least, where does joy live in your body? Breathe into that space. And allow yourself to grow that energy. Again, you can go back to what are the sensations? What does joy feel like? Is it electric? Focusing on those sensations and growing them with each breath, with each moment of intention, allowing it to slowly wave over your entire body, sending electric signals down your arms, shooting out your fingertips into the room around you, letting that joy just settle in your space, bringing it back into your abdomen as you feel it swirl around your hips, releasing tension swirling around your jaw, releasing tension, and moving all the way down your legs, shooting back into Mother Earth through your feet, feeling connected, feeling grounded to this space, to this earth, and now to your body. This beautiful body that holds everything, that holds all of your values, that holds all of your thoughts, all of your desires, and all of your endless possibilities. Take a deep breath into you, holding it at the top, breathing in a little bit more. And with a smile, if you can manage, release. Feeling that gratitude for all that is. Slowly wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers, and lovingly coming back into this space with an open heart full of such expanded awareness.
Megan and Joy. Thank you, Megan and Joy.